Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video, the core Java for automation series. Okay. In this video, we are going to see how to create, how to use Enum in Java. Okay. So Enum is nothing but a special data type that enables a variable to set a predefined constants. So if we have any predefined constants which we are going to use, that we can set with a variable, okay, a special with a special data type called as enum, and that we can use. So if you have any anything, if you have constants, that we can keep it in enum, and so that it can be changed and it can be used. Okay, so now let me go and create a new class now. Okay, let me create as enum example. Okay, and I will include the public static void main here. Okay, so I created one class here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to initialize the enum now. Okay, for that you should type enum. Let me create the list of days. Okay, so I'll just create Monday, okay, Tuesday, Wednesday, okay, Thursday, okay, and Friday. Okay, so I created some enums. Okay, the constants, I created. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go to the main method and use day. Okay, I'll create an reference today equal to, right, day dot, like for example, I'm just checking today's date, right, is Tuesday. Okay, so I'll just check, today's date is Tuesday, and I'll give a semicolon. Okay, then what I'll do is, I'll use an if condition here. Okay, if today, okay, uh, equals to day dot Tuesday. Okay, so then, so it will print. Okay, so it's trying to add as a sort here. I'll give today is Tuesday. Okay, or I can give, right, and I can also add an for each here. Okay, I'll add day d, okay, colon day dot values. Okay, then I'll add for each loop for iterating. Okay, sys out d. Okay, so now, I'm just iterating, getting all the values from enum, and I'm printing it. Okay, and I'm storing it in d. Okay, so now let me run it. So now today is Tuesday. First, you check the first condition. Today is Tuesday, and it came here to the loop, and it iterated. It took all the values from enum with the right method values. Then it kept in D, and it printed one by one all the values. Okay, so like that, we can keep constants in our code and use it in our Java programming. Okay, let us see another example, same with enum, but with an switch case statement. Okay, so now let me create a new class. Okay, and then I will create as enum, right, with switch case. Okay, I'll add include the public static void main here. Okay, Now what I'll do is, right, I will write add another read in here. Okay, so now let me use Enum, but I will use direction this time. Okay, so different directions. Okay, north, south, okay, east and west. Okay, so I've added different four directions here. Okay, so let us write use which case write to handle this one. Okay, so I'll create a reference here, direction dir equal to, okay, dot, okay, for example I'll check it's east. Okay, so then I will give a semicolon here, then I will start adding the switch cases. Okay, so switch, sorry, okay, dir, okay, then I'll add a parenthesis. First I'll add case 1 here, case north. Okay, then I will add a colon here, then I'll add a sysau. Okay, so next, right, going north. Okay, so if this one is the case, then it should we should break it and come out of the loop. For that I'm adding one break statement. Same thing, right, I'm going to add another case here, south. Okay, south and going south. Okay, same, and I'll add another case here. Okay, going east. Okay, next one is going east. Okay, next one is I'll add west. Okay, colon and going west. Okay, so I added right four cases here. So if it checks whether it sees, it's going to go to that particular case, print it, and it's going to break and come out. So it's going to check which is the condition here. According to that, it's going to handle the switch case. Okay, so let me run the program. So it's going east, right? So it checks this condition, direct and dot east. So it went here and printed this and breaked it and come out of the loop. Okay, so like that you can use enum in your Java program. There are different ways of doing an enum. Right, this is also right one way of handling an enum. Okay, so hope this video is useful for you and need to follow the series. Right, video soon the next part of video. Have a nice day. Bye.